We live.
Yo, Facebook, what's happening? It's your girl BBURRELL. I just wanted to share with you guys tonight and wanted to expose Forex and this hype and all this noise that's going on alongside IML. Guess what? It's about to change your life. Why? Because I'm going to open your mind to the reason why it actually is not a scam. Scam typically means still confused about money. Oftentimes, you'll have people that go around and hype up things in the wrong perception, so it does come off with a scam. So to all my people out there that's saying it's a quick get rich scheme and all that, that might be true in the perception of the person that you're looking at, right? So I want to make sure that you don't feel that way from here on out, so I'm going to get straight to it. Tonight, I'm only going to share some different testimonials that here in Generational Wealth that we're dealing with, that we're experiencing on a day-to-day basis. This right here is our team chat. It has almost 400 members, and we're growing so much, so fast. We have one of our top leaders. He does a trading session. Somebody just coming through here. Just some charting. Give it a second. It's going to catch up. We're going to show y'all that we're actually learning how to trade. Now, no, we're not an institution. We're not a bank. We're not these big, huge companies that can make millions and millions of dollars. But if you can help somebody make an extra $50 a day, an extra $100 a day, just so they can change their life, that's all that matters, right? You have people you have mockery that's going on. Oh, they trading $10. Oh, they trading $100. Guess what? We've had so many testimonials that have been birthing when people start off with $100, start off with $20. It doesn't matter, right? Because ultimately they get to learn the skill of trading. So this is one of our testimonials today from one of our traders, Miss Drew. She just said, I already doubled the market, my money making money. I've already doubled the markets this morning, and then what I would make on my job. What does that mean? Guys, first of all, she's been learning for about less than 4 months. Okay, her name is Drew. She's been learning less than 4 months. She stayed consistent. Yes, she was hard-headed at first, okay? But she started to stay consistent and learning the information all over and over and over again. What do we have? We have trading videos that are already structured in a basic, intermediate, and advanced levels that will allow you to learn at your own speed. If you're familiar with Netflix, guess what? You can learn how to trade, right? That's all you have to do is watch the videos. So we have a testimonial from one of our traders that was able to generate income double she would on a job. Now here's something I sent. I said advanced trader, a possible sale coming up on Euro I. Wait for the confirmation. What happened? This trade dropped like it's hot. Well, I'm gonna tell you why. Drop it like it's hot. Let me give y'all another example. This one right here is saying this trade is about to drop. Possible sale coming on EUR USD. That's just an exchange. Second thing, we get to trade any kind of market. We're not just trading foreign exchange. It's just the most popular because it has the fastest speed. See, some of you guys are familiar with the stock market. The stock market allows you to buy shares into a corporation. When you have this side of trading with this style of trading, it doesn't matter what's going on in the market. The market could completely crash, again, like S&P today or US 30. It dropped. Some of y'all don't even know what I'm talking about because you keep calling it a scam. If you will open your mind up to learn, just simple. This ain't hard, y'all. This is not hard. Again, if you know how to watch Netflix and you above 13, I think our youngest student now is what? Is right at 15 maybe? It doesn't matter. You just have to be coachable, teachable, and follow instructions. So I'm going to show y'all how this works. I did not know how to trade I didn't know nothing about trading before August 21st. Matter of fact, not before August 1st. Before December 2017. I didn't know how to trade. And now I can glance at this. I can eyeball the market and say, this is a zone. Basically, it's just been stuck here, and I'm waiting for it to break down. Possible sale on EUR USD. Broke and retesting. What does that mean? It broke out and it's retesting. You don't have to understand what I'm talking about. You just have to understand. You will be able to understand this if you would just listen and you're coachable and teachable. So what happened? That was at 9:33 a.m. today. At 10 o'clock, I said, who caught the bag? Because it dropped. Let me give y'all an after. This is before. That was the before. This is the after. Same two blue lines, but now I've entered the trade. Now it dropped from here to here. But what does that mean? How does that correlate to a return? Well, let me give y'all a quick academy, all right? Let me give y'all some IML Academy right quick. They taught me for something called a break and retest. Shout out to Christopher Derrick. That means these are called candlesticks, all right? These are called candlesticks. This is just like Atlanta traffic, all right? Atlanta, we stuck in traffic. It's hot. We ain't got no air conditioning. I'm pissed off, right? What happens next? We get a little leeway. We get in the HOV lane. We're not supposed to be there. So boom, we get in the HOV lane. We stuck in there a little bit. We nervous because we think a cop is coming. But next thing you know, we get to break out and go 80 miles an hour and get up out of the HOV lane so we won't get caught. So Now, but how do you make money in these markets? Remember, it's not just a foreign exchange market. That's just what has the most hype. You can trade gold, you can trade metal, silver, right? You can trade copper, you can trade indices, it's S&P, you can trade cryptos, you can trade you can trade futures. Guys, at the end of the day, if it looks like a graph like this, you can trade it. The only difference is some of them have different speeds than others. What does that mean? Look at here, come here, dog. So I said sell right here. Remember the previous slide, just at 8:33 a.m. I said this is before, this is after. Same structure, but a different move. We've got the move. That just happened an hour later. The difference between 1180, here we go, come to the whiteboard. That blue line is at 1180, and it dropped all the way down. It actually dropped way low today. Well, we're going to give it where it's at. let's just say 1153. 1.1153. So what does that mean? From here to here, that's what we're talking about. What's the difference between 80 and 53, Nicole? 80 minus 53 is what? I'm not going to act like is what? 27. That means I didn't predict 27 moves. I just predicted that it would drop down from 1180 down to 1153. Now, that's currently how many moves that it had dropped down in that screenshot. All right? It dropped down way lower than that today. We ain't got time for that right now. 27 cents is what somebody would say. We call this 27 pips because it's a decimal spot. It's the fourth decimal point. So it's not tenths and tenths and all that we learned in school. It's a 27 pip drop as of right now. So how does that correlate to a return? That move happened in 1 hour. It went from 1180 to 1153 in less than 1 hour. The difference in that move is 27 pips. All right. So now, how does it correlate to your return? Let's imagine you have $1,000 in your trading account, or 100, or 50 bucks, or 20 bucks. It does not matter. I'm gonna give y'all two scenarios. First, a college student, somebody that doesn't have money, they put 10 cents into the market. All right. They put 10 cents into the market. Somebody else, they might have put $1. Okay? Somebody else might have put 10. An institution like Goldman Sachs. So what I'm saying is this person took 10 cents out of their $1,000 balance to invest into that opportunity. Somebody took 10 cents out of their $1,000 balance or $100 balance, it doesn't matter, to invest in an opportunity. Another person took $1 out of their $1,000 balance to invest into an opportunity. Etc., etc., etc. Choose your number between 10 cents and 10,000. Multiply it times 27. That is the return on your investment within less than an hour. So that's why you see so many people being hyped, because we're so used to working and trading time for money. We're so used to working 40, 50, 60, 70 hours a week to make $27. Right? That is why you get so much hype, because people's lives are being changed. You don't have to have millions and millions and thousands of dollars. Some people just want to breathe a little bit. There's so many people living check to check. They just want an extra $10 a day, an extra $20 a day, an extra $100. That's life changing. Life changing. 60 to 70% of Americans don't have no more than $1,000 saved up outside of income tax season. 50 to 60% of marriages fail because they don't have an extra $500 in their household. Right? It's the little things that have big effects on the entire economy. So for y'all out there trying to talk about Forex, yes, I'm sorry that we have marketers inside of our company that try to sell you a dream. I'm not selling you no dream. My name is BBURRELL. I am with iMarkets Live, and our community is called Generational Wealth. We develop real traders, okay? We take this thing real seriously. Yes, there's an opportunity where you can copy, paste, and profit. I can send you the trade. I can tell you when to get in. I can tell you when to get out, just like that shot. But guess what? We want to teach you how to fish. So you can make $27 a day. You can start having an opportunity. You can start making your own money. So why is this extravagant? Because once you placed your money, once you got into this opportunity, you didn't have to do nothing else. You could have closed your phone. You could have took a nap. Your phone could have got ran over by a tractor trailer. Once you got into the opportunity, you don't have to do anything. It's the exact same commitment you got to give to a stock. You study the stocks, you study fundamentals, you say, I want to buy this share. When you buy it, you don't do nothing else. That's the same thing. We just make money based off of the price difference. All right. So once I get in, I don't have to do nothing else. I can tell the trade when to take me out in profit. I can manually close the trade out in profit. And let's say it goes into a risk because there's no guarantees, right? So what if the trade doesn't go in my favor? Maybe my prediction is wrong. I am trained on risk management. I'm trained on really how to make sure I don't blow my entire account. What does that mean? Well, let's come back over here, Keon. It dropped from 80 to 53, but what if it decided to spike up and go the other way? I can tell the software to take me out at 1210. Okay, 1.1210. From 1180 to 1210 is 30 pips. What does that mean? If I invested $1 into the market, ladies and gentlemen, on an opportunity. If I invested $1 into the market, let's go, I'll get it. And the trade, I'm going to already on purpose, I'm going to tell myself, if I have $1,000, what am I willing to risk on purpose? Meaning, how much money am I willing to lose with intention? I've already made that decision beforehand. So if I don't make my projection, I know how much money I'm willing to lose in the other direction. Some of y'all knew I was about to rhyme, right? So what happens next? Let's go through the generational wealth chat. Let's go. Boom. Who caught the opportunity on who caught the opportunity? So we just drop bags, we kind of get funny, get silly. Let me scroll through real quick. A lot of chatter. Boom, shakalaka. Here's a testimonial today, guys. This ain't about showing y'all profits. This is about people actually learning the skill set. I'm so happy and grateful that I did not give up on this amazing opportunity of financial freedom. It only gets better from here. She made her own trade today. Okay? It looked like you blacked out some of these profits too. But 30 cents. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times 30 cents is what? I don't know. Anyway, the return on the investment was over $30. So we'll say 369, maybe $2.50 grew to over $30. She ain't been learning that long, but she's coachable, teachable, and follow instructions. You do not, it doesn't matter if you got a doctor's degree. I don't care if you in a pen or you in Yale or you in jail. It does not matter. This skill set doesn't know skin, doesn't know color, doesn't know none of that. As long as you're coachable and teachable. Let's go to another testimony. This is today, ladies and gentlemen. Go right here, dog. What it say? Today. Let me zoom up. Today. All right. We got some new people coming into the community. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Boom, shakalaka. Here's another success story. This person has been plugged into the culture for quite some time. They stay on IML TV, locked into the team trading calls. She just had her first $2,000 day. Okay? $1. This she's trading NASDAQ and gold. This is an index in the metal. It is not Forex, but Forex works the same. What does that mean? $1, 30 cents, and 50 cents. She took $1.80 to $1,900. How many people got to work? How many hours you got to work to make $1,900? It's not about the fact that this ain't showing y'all profits. The trade started at 77.27 and dropped down to 75. That's 2,000 pips. I just showed y'all immediately 27 pips. The trade dropped down 2,000 pips. The other trade dropped down 1,200 pips. $1 times 1,200 equals $1,200. Why did it happen? Because that market moves super fast. Because there's news being dropped and we're able to capitalize when the market drops. Thank you, Trump, for saying things to make the market move really fast. Y'all hate him, but he making us get paid. When you're on the right side of the money, you ain't mad at your boss. You're not mad at corporates. You're not mad at CEOs because you understand you are in full control of your economy when you got the right information. All right? So she took $1.80 to $1,900 with the skill set. This ain't about money. I'm so consistently. She's been in her demo. We have a practice account. You can practice trading. You can be in a simulation account the entire time until you get comfortable using your real income. I'm gonna say it again. You get to have a practice account, a simulation account. She been practicing. She wasn't studying about trying to trade with her real money. Guys, she only took $1.90 out of her trading account. I know she ain't have no money in this trading account. But guess what? That little $100 grew to $1,900 today because she stayed consistent, she stayed plugged in. Something amazing is happening to us, generational wealth. Keep the faith, keep studying, learn the skill, learn, earn, and profit. I'm not gonna push y'all no dream. Yeah, you can take signals all day, but when you learn how to trade for yourself, there's nothing more beautiful than that. Keep the faith, keep studying, and continue chasing your dreams. Shout out to Cliff. Boom. Let's go to another testimonial today. Oh, not too long after. Let's see. Boom. This is a Bitcoin trade and a Forex trade. This is a demo account. The other one was live. This is a demo. $50 grew to $570. $20 grew to $2,000 with a crypto trade. This trade dropped 1,000 pips. Cryptos, indices, and metals move like a freaking Lamborghini. All right? We require that you have a minimum account balance to touch those markets. But guess what? With this knowledge, with this skill set, you can trade anything. Let's go to another one. Generational wealth popping traders. Shout out to Javonta. Let's see what's happening. Oh my God. He said, B, I'm finna be better than you. I said, you need to hurry up because I'm ready for you to come out here and start teaching folks. 10, 20, 30, $40 investment into 1, 3, 18, over about $3,000. This ain't about the money. Look at what he's saying. Top U.S. company stocks fall. The indices will fall. This is fundamental analysis. Be aware of those trades who are trading U.S. 30. There's a trade war with China and other things that are coming up that will heavily affect this. Guess what? We get to make money when there's bad things going on. It doesn't matter. Now, I'm not trying to hype it up. We don't want bad things to happen. I'm just letting y'all know. Y'all are so used to thinking that you can't make money on the downside. We make money off of where it starts and where it ends. We make money off of news, which is called fundamental analysis. All right? This is not hard. You have been trained to believe this is something that you cannot obtain. They've implanted, they're still fearing you. You won't even give it a chance. Now, no, this is not for everybody. Yes, there will be losses. But guess what? Somebody just took $40 to $3,500 because Trump is having a trade war with China. Guess what? Goldman Sachs is getting in their bag. You think your 401k, guess what? Oh, I gotta go there. Do y'all realize that your 401k is contractually designed not to make you money when the market drops down? What do they tell you? You're gonna lose money. Guess what? The broker never loses. The broker in their bag, they put investments into opportunities like this, right? Their 401k is at 100% risk if the market crashes. Your 401k is at 100% risk if the market crashes. For those of y'all think y'all finna sit there and retire on the 401k, you need to wake up. You need to go do your research and you need to start studying and positioning yourself long term. Guess what? Social Security may not be around when I get old, right? We got somebody right here, Nicole. Her dad only gets $1,200 a month from Social Security. He's putting over 50 years into this economy. $1,200. You better hope the house is paid for, that car is paid off. You better hope that you don't need no money. He got to walk on eggshells almost, right? Guess what? He's learning the skill. Learn, earn, and profit. What we got next? Everybody's hyped. We're proud of you. Keep learning, keep growing. We see you. We love you. Keep it up. This is what I did. I sent him a goat. Baby goat on the way, right? What we got next? All right, we got some more sauce. Shout out to Kato. She dropping some information. US 30. She telling y'all what's going on. What we got next? These are the top companies in US 30. That's one of the markets that we can trade, indices, all right? Some more of the companies, right? What we got? This is her trade. Let's zoom in on here. It looked crazy. She just giving these people some education. She basically predicted it was going to drop. It's nothing right here. TP1 and 2. Let's go to the next screen. What happened? It dropped. It's simple. We teach you how to understand this. I'm like, oh, it's a lot of lines. Oh, that looks scary. No. What does this say? He just said the power of compounding. All that means is every time he makes a return, he's able to put it back into his investment and make more money. What does it say? $1 into $10. $1 all the way down. All right? $1 all the way down. It's probably total about $100. 10, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, $14 investment to over, 100 and something bucks. Guys, in and out, okay? I got some more testimonials. Shout out to Edwin, running up the bags. He caught a trade. It was Forex pairs. What's that? $5 into $287. $5 and How you get $5 into $287. Placed this one last week as well. It just bounced off and collected. Right? I'm telling y'all, learn the skill. Guess what? We had a party. We had a celebration. We're excited. What happens next? It's just testimonials after testimonials, ladies and gentlemen. All right? Testimonials after testimonials. All right? Let me give y'all another one. All right, we here. So, at the end of the day, if you want to actually learn how to trade, if you want to stop walking around with fear-based thinking and learn a skill set, drop a GW in the chat box. Drop a GW. Please don't be dropping me no GW in Our Markets Live. This ain't about you. This is about people who have no idea how trading works and they really want a mentorship. They really want a community of people that learn. Guess what? Turning around the room. We just had a packed house. We just finished a hands-on training here in Atlanta. All right? Y'all say hey, y'all. Hey. They sound like the girls club. They sound like drinking wine. Hey. Look at this. I've been in this trade since last week. In my demo account. No take profit set. I just been riding this wave. I was going to ask if anybody was watching this trade until BBURRELL sent the signal. Guess what? Boom, in her bag. What we got next? Shout out to H. Bro just literally had his first, he had $100 in his trading account. Now he just had his first $1,000 day. It's been a journey. It's been wild. I've had some ups and downs. I've blown accounts because I didn't under my wrist. I wasn't being coachable and teachable. But I'm taking this skill set seriously. The enthusiasm and the way that teaching of BBURRELL provides, this makes it more easier. What's crazy is B is about to start sending signals again. That ain't important. What's crazy is that he did this on his own. Okay? He's learning how to fish. If I want to go move to Thailand and shut the world down, y'all got to know how to fish. Right? What we got next? Oh, my Lamb of God. So I took this trade from the Harmony Scanner. We have artificial intelligence from Our Markets Live that was created by our CEO, Christopher Terry. All right? He created the scanner that does trades for you. What did she do? Shout out to Joe Nate. She just took a trade. She don't know what she's doing. Guess what? Let's say 1860. So 50 cents grew to $41. 30 cents grew to $5. This is the most I've made so far. This is my live account. I don't even think she's 21. Let's go. What we got next? I'm giving it to y'all. Hit my first $100 day. Hit my first $100 day. 50 cents. 1, 2, 280. So this is about $3 grew to over 100. I can't say it. $2 grew to over $100. 50 cents grew to 46. $1 grew to 16. Guys, remember, we make a prediction where it's going to start and where it's going to end. So if you go to Mexico and they want to charge you $1.50 today for a peso, guess what? We know if it's going to drop to $1. The difference between $1.50 and $1 is 50 cents. No, not over here. It's called 50 pips. 50 pips times $1 equals what? $50. If you put $1 into the market, you just made 50, right? If you put $5 into the market, you just made $250. Guess what? It's all about predicting where the value starts and where it goes. Come on, dog, bring it on in. For instance, the trade started, this is a BTC, this is a Forex, and this is a metal. This is gold. It started at 11,664. It went up to 11,757. The difference between these numbers times 50 cents is the return on the investment. Y'all will get that later. That ain't important. What we got next? Oh, this is one of my favorites. Shout out to my boy Khalifa. He's been so consistent. He said, B, I'm going to out-demo you. I'm going to out-practice you. I stayed in my practice account for 6 months to learn this skill set. Learn, earn, and profit. Guess what? I swear by the skill, y'all. I cannot wait to get a hands-on experience in Dallas with Learn, Earn, and Profit. Yes, we're going to Dallas, and I'm going to be teaching the team. Guess what? Shout out to Drew. She sent out a signal. She's been learning for less than 4 months. Anybody call AUD/USD? We dropping bags. Learning the skill. Here we back to Khalifa. Had to finish his testimonial. Laughed my butt off. If y'all knew how much I love gold in real life, and now that I'm trading gold, he took $10. He took $11 to $1,600 with gold. Gold went from $14.91 up to $14.93 here, and $14.78 to $14.89. What does that mean? $14.78 to $14.89. Some of y'all like 89 minus 78 is only 12. No. It's 1,200 pips. The decimal points are different. 1,200 times 10 is what? There you go. And there we have it, ladies and gentlemen. Here's one more analysis. This is me. Long this thing catch up real quick. Come on. Uh-oh, my screen unfroze. Can you see me, dog? This is where we started. I said, y'all, this is about to drop. This is about to drop right here. Guess what happened? It dropped. Simple. It was going to drop. There's nothing. There's what I say, sell execution. Instead of sell limit at these blue lines. For y'all who wear glasses, let's bring it in for you. Right here, as I'm about to tell this, I told the team, sell execution means get in this trade right now. It's about to drop from here to here. All right, from here to here. What did it do? At 9:19, guess what happened next? At 9:55, it shot down. What's the difference between 12.15 and 11.85? 30 pips. From here to here was a 30 pip drop in less than 30 minutes, right? Guys, it's not hard. What does it say next? When you catch a bag off of oil, U.S. oil, we trade any market. People who don't really trade gonna still keep talking about Forex. We trade. Oh, gold, crude, oil, indices, futures, it doesn't matter. You just got to be coachable and teachable. Guess what? She made 50 cents grow to 83, 50 cents grow to 35. When you catch a bag off of your own trade before you eat breakfast, y'all better learn this skill. Whoo, Lord have mercy. Y'all playing with me. What? Coming in with the knowledge. UCAD correlates with gold. So check it out too. That's a bag. Here's some more. Shout out to B. McPherson dropping some more value. The fundamentals. Marion fundamentals will take another now because we'll put more edge on your flavor, meaning you get paid more. That's all he's saying. What did it say next? When you stay and catch the wave from a GCAD, because BBURRELL sent the trade. Now, let me give y'all the truth. I sent the signal. The signal hit the stop loss, meaning the team lost. But guess what? That wasn't nothing but the market's playing with everybody because as a minute later, the next day it shot up the way I wanted to go. Me, I stayed in the trade, but I wanted to protect the team's accounts, so I had to get them out of the trade, right? Because you got to say, listen, I'm not willing to lose no more than this. It shot up, okay? Here it is. Yes, I send signals again, all right? Yes, I send signals. I sent out I don't even know. What we in, Wednesday? I didn't send anything. I sent some setups today. We'll say about 8 to 10 trades. I missed one, and that was the GCAD y'all just saw. 5-0 on Sunday. Signal chat 2-1. All right? And that's it, guys. You just got to come in here and learn this skill set. If you're ready to learn how to trade with a great community, you do not have to be located in Atlanta. You just have to be coachable and teachable. Drew is located in Canada. Javonta, a lot of the team, Weezy, everybody's located in California. Amarach is located in London. It doesn't matter where you're located. As long as you're coachable and teachable, you can plug into a screen share like this, and you trust us to guide you the right way, then you'll win. You'll succeed. But you got to show up to your success. We have a fail-proof system. All you got to do is follow the steps. The only reason you fail, I'm sorry, I encourage failing, by the way. The only reason you quit is because you decided. You got lazy. You wanted to watch TV over learning a wealth knowledge. Most people don't succeed because they're mentally lazy. All right? If you can commit a 12 to 18 months, they don't even take that long. These people have been trading less than 6 months, but they've been consistent. They sacrifice TV. They sacrifice hanging out. They sacrifice hanging out with their job after work. They sacrifice long phone calls, just yapping about nothing. All right? Sacrifice for what you want, or what you want becomes a sacrifice. So if you're willing to learn the skill of trading with generational wealth, with our markets live, I'm not talking about no quick get rich scheme. I'm not talking about nobody selling you a house, boat, and dream. I ain't talking about no chains. I ain't talking about none of that. I'm talking about generational wealth where you can pass down the skill to your family, to your children, to your friends, to your church community. All right? Because if our markets live decides, we got to close this company down for 6 months, who's going to know the skill of trading? It costs over 30 grand, and it's a company. Right now, they charge you $30,000 to learn this skill in 6 weeks. That's not enough. That's a cram session, right? That's not enough time. Guess what? They also charge 10 grand for a 5-day course. Choose your pain. Make the sacrifice. It's only $225 to learn the skill set. To start, every 30 days is $145. If $225 is an issue, you're the person I'm talking to. $225 was an issue for me. Guess what? I didn't have 225 when I started. I got an overdraft to learn this skill set. Guess what? I don't ever have to worry about nothing again. But guess what? I'm not done because I got to retire my mama still. I still got a mission. I still got a purpose. $225 to enroll, $145 every 30 days to learn the skill set, to get the signals, to get the education, to get the recording. Everything is pre-recorded so you can learn at your own speed. There's no classes. All right? It's set up like Netflix. It's the Netflix of trading. All right? Also, your trading account is 100% yours. We have nothing to do with your trading account. The company is just an educational company. They do not make any investments. All right? You need to go somebody who got a Series 6 or 7 for that. All right? Now, our CFO, she does have a Series 6. But she even a trade for y'all. Got to learn to catch your bag for yourself. Your trading account is 100% yours. And it's a $10 minimum deposit for that. $10, oh, somebody, they only got $10. It's a start. Because we didn't have access to these markets. We had to be rich before. All right. So in the past 10 years, technology has allowed us to have access to this market. So if you want to learn a skill of trade, you want to be in a community that's actually learning, that's actually getting to the bag. Yes, we practice in our demo, and yes, we're trading live. It doesn't matter. It's about learning the skill set and learning to fish. If you're tired of looking at the menu, trying to check your bank account before you walk into a restaurant, looking at clothes that you wish, stop living off a hope, a wish, and a prayer. All right? Stop living off that. Only call God when you can't make the solution for yourself. If action can create a solution, then there's no problem. If action can create a solution, then there's no problem. All right? Y'all need to write that down. That's a nugget. But God is going to lead you. We are a God-led community. We love on people. We help people. We impact people. We just don't focus on trading. We focus on personal development as well. All right? So if you want to have an internal transformation, you want to have that mental toughness, you want to have that strength, and everything you need to succeed, join Generational Wealth today. We're here to help you win. Y'all have a blessed night. Thank y'all for tuning in. Share. Boom.